Hi everybody, it's Jeanette with Country Design Style. I want to show you how I clean our bathroom mirror, our glass front door inside and out, and then a very large leaning wall mirror with just one of these and the handles that go with it. A little bit of dish soap. Literally, I'm going to show you. I'm going to just put a line of dish soap across the top of this. This is dry right now. That's all. I'm going to close it up and set it aside. That's all I'm going to use for all those windows. I will get her a little wet, just a little damp. Just run a little water over it. Get it a little bit damp. Now I may add some more water to do the outside of the glass door, but I'm not putting a ton of water on it for a couple of reasons. One, I don't need it. And the second reason, do want a little bit more than that, is Mike did the floors for me. And I don't want to make a mess of the floors. So my tip, I also do have a rag to pick up any of my mess. When I carry it around the house, I carry it this way. If I carry it this way, I'll get drips all over, so I carry it this way. Holds my drips. I will see you at the front door. Hi, it's hard to tell, but I'm at a glass mirror. This is the wood of the mirror, and this is actually the mirror. It's actually reflecting our dining room. So I was a little confused when I first set this up. I thought, wait, this is the mirror. I am also using the squeegee. I forgot to show you that. Okay, this is a very tall, probably 6-foot mirror. I just take this up at the top, I'm at the top, and run it down and get soapy all over. And what happens is soap cleans, but more than that, it lets the squeegee glide on the glass. Okay, put your squeegee at the top and just slide it right down. It will pull all that water off. I wipe it, try to get it a little dry. Start at the top, overlap about 2 or 3 inches, slide it down, wipe it off. And then I wipe the bottom edge. Up at the top, slide it down, nice and smooth, wipe it off, wipe off the bottom edge. That mirror is clean. Done. Hi, welcome to our front porch. I am outside and I have 2 inside helpers which are not helping because they're gonna get the inside of it dirty. But I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm just gonna show you the outside. Now, as you saw, I had a little bit of soap and a little bit of water on this. Just regular dish soap. This is my little handle to extend it up so I can reach a little bit. And just so you know, I forgot to show you the squeegee. This is the most important part. The dish soap, I've used this door so many times, or cleaned this door so many times. I don't like doing it and spraying the window cleaners and trying to clean it up that way with paper towels just is not my cup of tea. So I started doing it this way and it works out great. Squeegees and there's a trick to learning them, and everybody's going to have their own trick. My suggestion is just keep trying. Don't give up on it. Just keep trying because it's so much easier than using Windex or any window cleaner to clean them. Now, I've switched it out. Now I've got my squeegee on. What happens is it's just slightly damp. The squeegee is here from cleaning windows. It's just a little damp, but it's not dripping wet. So I'm going to place it right up at the top edge, and I'm going to come straight down. Now I do it pretty quickly, but right about here, here's my tip. Because if I keep coming down, I'm going to run into the ground, and it makes a mess. I just barely put my squeegee on, so that as I come down, I can pull its handle out and go ahead and come down the door. Just a goofy little trick. And I'm not a professional window cleaner, never hope to be, but it sure makes cleaning all the mirror and glass around our house so much faster. Now see, I got a bad start on that. So I just pop back up right away and redo it. Okay, straight down, wipe it off. Okay, and as I do it, I usually go left to right. Just kind of my habit. Bring it down until I can reach it easy, and then go ahead and go right on down the door. And it's done, just that quick. So grab a squeegee, meet me in our master bathroom, because I'm going to show you. We've got a huge long mirror in there, and I'm going to show you how I can also clean it just almost as quick as I do the front door. Thanks. Hi, I'm here in the bathroom, and this is our bathroom mirror. This is probably, I'm going to guess, 10 feet wide at least, and probably at least 10 feet tall up at the top there. So I'm going to add just a touch more water. I have not added any more soap to this. I'm just going to kind of run just a little quick thing of water, get it a little damp, bring out any excess to keep from making a mess on the floors. I do have a longer pole that I use. Again, like I did on the front door, I put it on gently because once I get down to the bottom, I want to be able to get it off. But I can clean this whole mirror in just a few minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and do this so you can just watch and see. I usually, just so you know, clean half and then get it wet again and then do the other half since it is so large. And because you don't want your water or your soap to dry on there. And it does dry pretty quickly. Right now we've got the heater on, believe it or not. And it's spring in case you're wondering. But we do have the heater on in here, so it will dry quick, so I'll work fast. But you'll see I'll do the first half, and then I'll come back and do the second half. By the way, where I'm starting over here, I'm not sure, yeah, it's not in camera view. I don't have a wide angle on my camera. But trust me, I'm starting over here. And this part here, you don't have to be neat or anything. I do a little extra above the sink where the toothpaste and all that other stuff goes. I get messy. So this here you don't have to worry about. Just put it up there. Get it nice, wet, and soapy. I'm at my halfway part. I'm going to take this off. Ooh, I put that on good. I'm going to set this on very lightly because I do want to be able to pull it off easy once I get down to the counter. And it just makes it easier for me. It's just my habit. My suggestion is get a good squeegee. Get a good mop. I guess this is a window mop. I think that's what that's called. And practice, okay? I'll start at the top. And I know you can't see this in camera, but I will come into your view very soon. Now, this one, because I do it quick, I tend to hit the glass where it's wet, just lightly. I don't hit it hard. And that kind of removes enough of the water to keep from that water line appearing. Because otherwise, if this is too wet, it leaves a little line, it leaves a little streak. And I don't want that. So bring it down, pull this off. Once I come down to the bottom, if that's, you can also, you know, window wipers use a towel, they hook a towel and then wipe it just so long as whichever way you're going, I go left to right, I want this left edge pretty dry. It can be damp, but I don't want it to be drippy. So I can either hit it here or I can dry it on my towel. Sometimes I just lay my towel here and dap it on there a little bit. That's good enough. I'm almost talking more than cleaning. It's starting to dry already. In fact, I think I'll stop there. I'm not going to worry about that because I'm going to soap it up again and do the other half of the window. So much easier than trying to use a spray bottle or anything else. I started using this actually on a previous house because we had such big windows and mirrors. And just, you know, to hire someone to come clean your windows is not easy. And, you know, this bathroom window, it really needs to be cleaned almost every week. Not only does it get dirty here, it gets dusty up there. Now, do I do it every week? No, but I should. And just start at the top, bring it straight down. And I'm jiggly with it, okay? But that's okay. Like I said, I'm not a professional window wiper washer. Don't hope to be. But it is a nice, easy way and fast. And when I got down without even taking it off, how about that? To clean the windows. Once you get in around the sink and anything that you might have on the counter, sometimes I like to move it off